Backyard bugs! Hi, I'm Kia. We're looking for bugs in the backyard. Can you help us, please? Come on, let's go! Pick a bug. A ladybug. Let's use the magnifying glass to look around the yard for bugs. Here, buggy buggy. Here, bug. Keep looking for the ladybug. Oh, that's a grasshopper. Fun fact. A large grasshopper can jump between 10 and 20 times its body length without using its wings to fly. Keep looking for the ladybug. You found the ladybug. Fun fact. Did you know that some ladybugs have no spots and others have up to 20 spots? Let's help the ladybug find all its babies and bring them back to this flower. Aww, so cute, cute, cute. Watch out for the shaking Yes, you found them all. Now help. You did a great job. Great job. You found and learned about a ladybug. You unlocked the caterpillar. A bee. Oh, it's a caterpillar. Fun fact. Most butterflies lay their eggs on plants that caterpillars like to eat. This is so baby caterpillars can eat right after they hatch. Keep looking for the bee. You found the bee. Fun fact. Honeybees gather sweet nectar and pollen from flowers. Let's help this bee gather nectar from the flowers. Come back to the hive when you're done. Uh-oh, watch out! Whew, that was close. Look around a little more. Yes! You found them all! Now help the bee get back to its hive. Great job! That's good workin', bee. You found a bee and helped it. You unlocked the grasshopper. A caterpillar. You found the caterpillar. Fun fact. Most butterflies lay their eggs on plants that caterpillars like to eat. This is so baby caterpillars can eat right after they hatch. Let's help the caterpillar find all the leaves it needs. You did a great job! Now, tap on the cocoon until it becomes a beautiful butterfly. What a beautiful butterfly! You found a caterpillar and helped it turn into a butterfly. You unlocked the spider. A grasshopper. Nice searching. Look, a spider. Fun fact. Spiders spin webs to catch food to eat. Keep looking for the grasshopper. Oh, it's a caterpillar. Fun fact. Some butterflies sleep through the whole winter. In caves, under leaves, inside houses, and other safe places. Keep looking for the grasshopper. You found the grasshopper. Want to know something cool? Boy grasshoppers can rub their wings and legs together to make a chirp sound, which is like singing for them. Help the grasshopper gather all the clover. Help the grasshopper hop back to its home. Great job! Excellent hopping! You finished finding and helping the grasshopper. A spider. You found the spider. Fun fact. Did you know that spiders are arachnids? I love that word. Let's help the spider gather all the flies in its web. Oh no! She got you. Whew, that was close. She got you. Uh-oh, watch out. Oh no, she got you. Yes, you found them all. Now help the spider get back to this. You did a great job. Nice job! You found the spider and helped it. And done! That's amazing! You can keep looking for bugs in the backyard as long as you like. Backyard bugs!